and welcome back to my channel, and today we're just unboxing this. This is like, it's the Debenhams beauty box, but you get this free, and it's because I have the beauty Debenhams card. And so yeah, so they email you to let you know that this is in, and then you just go and collect it. I have no idea what's in here, but every time you shop in Debenhams, like on the cosmetic counter, and you use the Debenhams card, you will actually get points at this. You just need to apply. I will actually leave in the description box down below the Debenhams website, and then you can apply for the card. And once you got your card, they will send you, well, they won't send you it, they'll tell you when this comes in, and then all you gotta do is take your card and you will get this. You must, now I went to the Clarence little stall in Debenhams, and that's where you get them from, or any of the little stalls in Debenhams except for Benefit. I don't think Benefit allow you to do it because, well, they didn't allow me in the one in Blackpool, so I went to the Clarence one and I got it. I was like so excited I got it. Right, so here we go. I don't even know what's in it. My daughter's had a look, but she just had a sneak peek. Right, so here we go. This cost me nothing, remember? So it's absolutely all free. So I have no idea what is in this. Not whatsoever, but it's like in a nice pink wrapper thing. And it's like, it's heavy. It's like so heavy. So what is it? Oh, right, okay, so we have the Rituals Yoga Flow Indian Rose Sweet Almond Oil Foaming Shower Gel. And it just says, let's talk beauty. For beauty tips and tricks, expert tutorials, visit debenhams.com. Let's talk beauty. So there we go. I will leave that in the description box down below as well. So try it, buy it, love it, share it. Hope you're enjoying your new products. We would love you to leave a review at debenhams.com, or join the conversation on your favourite social media channel with Let's Talk Beauty. Hashtag Let's Talk Beauty. Go online now to purchase your full-size product and discover over 200 other beauty brands on the Debenhams Beauty Club. So that's all you do. And this, remember, cost me not even a sausage. Nothing at all. It just cost me, well, actually nothing. Totally free. It just maybe cost me a little bit of parking money, and that's about all. But for Rituals, it's really good, because Rituals is usually quite expensive. Well, I say usually. Sometimes you get them on offer. Oh, that smell is like amazing. It's like, I can't wait to get a shower with it. Ooh, and it squirts out a load. Look at that, too much. There's loads of it there. So you only need a little bit. But it's like it has a really nice silky feeling. Oh, that's like really, I like that a lot. Oh, do you know what? That is my favourite shower gel smell. That's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So right, so now I'm just going to wipe that off my hand. Just while I have a towel right here. Right, so now I'm probably just going to see how much it lathers up. It lathers up really well. It's like, oh, this is like fun as well. My son would have fun with this because he loves that sort of stuff. That smells like gorgeous. It's like, it has a sweet scent to it. It really does. But look how it just lathers up really goodly. It's so good at lathering up. It's like that. Oh, it leaves a nice scent on your hands as well. Nice scent on your skin. That's really, really good. I didn't expect to get that. I honestly didn't expect it. They just don't tell you what you're going to get some days, some weeks she said it could be Benefit, and this week it was the Rituals shower gel. That's amazing. I love it. So it's like that was so good. Right. Okay, if you like this video, thumbs up, like, share. Please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye bye.